kabit ko. Hey guys, it's me again, and Tristine, and welcome back to another vlog. Today, what we're going to have is a makeover vlog because as you guys know, ilang months na yung quarantine and I want to get rid na of my quarantine hair. Sobrang dami na niyang split ends and it's so dry and it's so long. I want to go for a shoulder length na hair. Last night in my Instagram story, nag-share ako ng poll. Ito yon. Right now, nasa 89% yung nag-yes. And actually, kahit hindi kayo mag-yes, I'm still gonna go for it. This is quite a bold move for me, this makeover. So, I made sure na ipapagawa ko siya sa salon na trusted and may credibility talaga. Kasi, if this goes wrong, magiging ganun yung hair ko for months, diba? So yan, I'm here today sa Dey Caisip Salon. Dito lang siya sa tapat ng Carmelite Monastery. And later, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung results. So, samahan niyo ako. Makeover vlog. Ayan, ano ba yung ginawa niyo sa hair ko?
Yan, so, ayan. So, ginawa natin sa'yo yung super best service namin dito sa Dey Caisip Salon, yung signature namin, yung Balayage Ombre.
Okay, Balayage Ombre. Kasi ang request ko talaga sa kanila originally is Itaewon Class. But this is way, way better. Oo nga naman, mas soft
Yes,
yung
and mas
dating.
nagbe-blend yung color niya. Yun naman kasi yung kaya tinawag na Balayage Ombre. So, it's a multiple color. Yun. And the good thing about our product is we're not using bleach. So, meaning, hindi siya nakakasira. Kasi yung iba pag sinabi nila na may highlights, parang hesitant sila magpagawa kasi parang iniisip nila, baka masisira yung hair nila. So, ako kasi, ang masasabi ko lang sa mga gusto magpagawa, it's very safe kasi yung gamit namin na brand na gamot is made from Japan talaga siya. So, instead of using bleaching powder, the traditional way of using bleaching keme, ngayon ang ginagamit na nila is fading cream.
Fading cream.
Yes.
Oo nga. Ako kasi, like, 3 years ago, nagpa-bleach din ako and ang tagal bago mag-recover ng hair ko and now, sobrang confident ko na ipagawa to knowing na fading cream lang yung ginamit nila.
Yes.
And Sir Dey, let's invite them to visit you here sa Dey Caisip
Yes,
Salon.
please follow our page, yan, Dey Caisip Salon.
Ipa-flash ko yun dito.
Or my personal Instagram, Dey Caisip, and you can visit us here at Angeles City in front of Carmelite Monastery Church. Ayan, sa tapat lang po kami mismo ng simbahan.
this salon is actually now available for franchise. Very affordable. Sasabihin ba natin?
Yes.
How much?
For only 850,000 pesos.
Okay, pamay na lang po.
Pamay na lang. Ayan.
850,000 pesos lang. What are the inclusions?
Bali, fixtures, designs, and equipment. And yun nga, yung supplies
Training.
natin and training. Yun, kasama
And
na.
of course, the brand. Marketing
Yes.
din, diba? If you guys want an extensive vlog on how to start your own salon business, franchise ng Dey Caisip, let me know. We could do that.
Yay!
So, thank you guys for
Thank
watching.
you!
Bye. Hey guys, it's the next day already. Here's a closer look na at my hair. Maayos yung finish. So, eto siya. This tone is ash. Ayan. And I really like the length because sakto lang siya sa shoulders, hindi siya prone sa flyaway. Meron akong bangs, pinakita ko yun kagabi, but hindi ko ipapakita ngayon kasi hindi pa ako naliligo, hindi pa ako nag-blow dry. Ayan, magulo yung bangs ko. But I like the way they did my bangs. It's called window bangs, yung konting-konti lang. Kasi I don't think bagay ko yung full bangs. And all in all, I really love my new look. It's so lakas maka-Barbie. Ayan, lakas maka-Barbie, diba? And I really like it. I think bagay siya sa personality ko. So, thank you so much, Dey Caisip. Guys, don't forget, the salon is available for franchise. It's very affordable. 850,000 pesos only. That's a very, very good investment. Lalo na sa inyo na naghahanap ng pwedeng gawing business. Kasi we are transitioning, no? Na parang halos lahat ng tao, entrepreneur na. And it's actually a good thing. So, yun. Keep it in mind.